back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this cute topper from UniWigs. And this is called the Carly monopart synthetic hair topper with a left part. I would say slightly left because I'm pretty sure I have it centered. And here's the middle of my head and here's the left part that you see right there. Honestly, I think you could probably move the topper slightly to the right and create more of a middle part, but to each their own. Either way, it is a very light, natural, cute topper. This one right here has 120% density and it is 12 inches. My biological hair is slightly longer than this hair topper, but I have my bio hair kind of curled under to match that pattern, the way that it's kind of bent inward. And I think that it, you know, matches pretty well. The color that you see on this hair topper is called Almond Frost. Almond Frost is a golden blonde highlighted with ash blonde with dark roots. I really love this color because I have that medium brown biological hair, so that dark root on Almond Frost really helps blend it in with my bio hair, but I'm able to have some pretty highlights and lowlights and easily plop it on my head and have that vibrant dimension without any effort, and it doesn't grow out. I don't have to go to the salon every month. It just gives me exactly what I want. And I can still utilize my bio hair, pull it up, pull it to the side, and feel like it's just an extension of myself, like a hair extension or whatnot. That's what this is, but it goes on top of your head. Now this hair is synthetic, like I mentioned, so you wash it, you shake it, and it's going to maintain this beautiful bend and curve. You do want to be mindful of heat. You don't want to get too close to an oven or use heat tools because it can fry that synthetic fiber. You guys will have to check out the other colors that are available in this hair topper. I chose this one because I wanted those highlights, yet it matches quite well. But do always take note that with hair toppers, you do want to try to get something that will mix with your biological hair. You want it to blend seamlessly and just look like it's not there. That's the point, is you want it to blend and integrate and just give you that volume and coverage that you're looking for, but have it be undetectable. So making sure you have a root that matches or some lowlights or highlights that match, that is what's going to help you to make it look more realistic. Now, I did add some hair fibers at my front hairline because my front hairline is quite sparse, and this has that blunt edge at the front of the topper, so you want to blend your front hairline with the topper, and that is going to help it look even more realistic. All right, you guys, I'm gonna do a full turnaround so you can see the coverage and what this here topper looks like from all angles. Now, do take note, I haven't looked at the back of the topper and my bio hair is slightly longer, so be mindful of that. But here goes nothing. What I love about this lighter density is that it tucks really well behind the ear and it looks very natural. Don't you guys feel like this density and this topper looks really natural? It's not overly bulky. It's not overly voluminous. It really has a natural appearance, in my opinion. I just want to point out, you guys, remember you can get a discount at UniWigs using the code AM15. That's AMB15. This topper is basically your sleek, elegant bob. That's pretty much what it is, and it definitely is that sleek, classic bob look. I would say that this topper will give you enough coverage and bulk for beginning to maybe mid stages of hair loss. If you are experiencing hair loss in your part, in the crown, and just the top of the head, you're gonna get the coverage with this hair topper. Now, somebody that is dealing with hair loss at the front hairline, I feel like it looks more realistic if you have hair to blend with this topper. However, there are some people who put their blunt edge toppers right up to the front, and they don't have much hair to blend with it. So like, to each their own how people choose to wear their top pieces. They discover what works for them based on how much hair they have, where they need the coverage, and how they can manipulate and blend their bio hair with it. So just do remember that the first time you put on a topper, it might feel foreign, but if you play with it, you know, get in there and just really have fun and move it around, and don't be nervous to customize and make it your own. Then you'll get used to it, and you'll discover that these here toppers really can transform your whole appearance. Now this base size is 6 by 7. In fact, I'm going to take this here Carly topper off so you guys can see the underside. And look at the difference. It definitely helps. Okay, I do want to point out that I did put a product that UniWigs has on this parting of this Carly topper. Now this little piece of silicone tape is something that you can get in the accessories on uniwigs.com, and it is their scalp-like silicone tape piece. Let me see if I can find a piece right here that's unopened. I had never tried it before, and so I decided to go ahead and check it out on this Carly topper, and I feel like it made a pretty good difference in how realistic the hand-tied parting looked. So you can see that right here with the tape, and it looks really good. This is what it looks like when you receive it. You just open up this piece, peel off the tape, the silicone scalp looking tape, and place it where you part your wig or topper. And it's going to make that parting look even more realistic, like basically like scalp, as you can see. It's an awesome product. I want to put this on like all my wigs and toppers. It looks great. So this left part is 2 by 4 inches. And you can see on this topper, it is left, but it's not like extremely far left. You can see how the closed wefting is slightly larger on that side right here. But you do have, you know, a decent size parting area right here. It's not itsy bitsy thin. So you might be able to part it this way or that, redirect the knots, and move the part slightly more left or more to the middle, really. So this here length is 12 inches, like I mentioned, and it's a longer bob, so it will sit right above the collarbone. Look at this gorgeous color up close, almond frost, the dark root, and that dimensional color with the highlights in there. It's really, really pretty. Now this synthetic fiber feels really good and soft, nice and swingy. I really like it. I'm impressed with this synthetic fiber. I haven't tried UniWigs synthetic fiber for a little while, so yeah, I'm quite impressed with this synthetic piece. I want to reiterate, do not use heat on this fiber. It is not heat friendly, but the nice thing about synthetic pieces is that it maintains its bend, its style, and it's really nice in humid elements. And what's nice about this is if you do have shorter hair, you can add a little bit of length, and it's not all over your neck. It's fantastic for the heat of the summer. So yeah, all in all, this is a really beautiful synthetic light topper. You have that hand-tied area up front and that left part with closed wefting and 4 pressure-sensitive clips. You have a small area of polyurethane right up at that front hairline. You could use some adhesive on that to help it stay more secure if you wish. Okay, I am going to put this baby back on. I don't have a lot of hair up front, so what I do is I pull some forward like so. Clip into place. And then at that point, you can figure out how to blend your bio hair with that piece. I kind of like the front of my bio hair to be slightly off-centered to where the part ends on the piece. I feel like the bio hair helps cover that blunt edge and make it look more realistic. And because of that dark root, this front hairline of mine seems to blend really well, and I love that. Yeah, the color of that root and then my bio hair seems to blend quite well. And like I mentioned, I do have some fibers in my front hairline to help with the sparseness that I have. You guys can probably see up close that I had a little bit of fibers on my forehead I've been brushing off. But I think that just helps me when I do need to blend my front hairline with a topper. What do you guys think of this almond frost? I think it's beautiful. And what do you think of this bob, this Carly bob hair topper from UniWigs? Remember, you can get that discount, 15% off, using the code AM15. That's capital AMB15. Let me know your thoughts on this beautiful piece. Let me know your thoughts on this gorgeous color. Have you tried this topper? Let me know, comment below. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to UniWigs for giving me the opportunity to share this hair topper with you guys today. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.